before they multiply integers, I can multiply integers.
Okay, great. So, in multiplying integers, we have a few vocabulary words to go through. First one, similar to what we were working with the sum and the difference, we have our product. Can anyone explain what our product is going to be? The definition of that. Takia.
Answers to a multiplication
Yeah.
problem.
Answers to a multiplication problem. Exactly that. And now we're working with integers. Can anyone tell me what our integers are going to be? Come on.
A whole number and its opposite.
A whole number and its opposite. Exactly. So that's going to be something like 4 and -4. Those are integers, right? Or like we can go into numbers like 3.1 and -1. Those are also going to be like integers, okay? So, going down to our rules. This is very similar to our adding and subtracting positive and negative integers. So, when we see two symbols together, what should we be hearing in our heads?
Ding, 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 ding.
Right, because whenever there's two of the same, what are we going to be seeing as our product? What is our outcome going to be? Ayu?
A positive.
It's going to be a positive, right. So even when there are two negatives, what is that going to be? A positive, exactly. That is going to be positive. Both of them are going to be positive. So we know from our little cheat sheet, two of the same symbols are going to be a positive number. Okay? And looking at a few of our last notes, we know what about multiplication? What can it be substituted with? Cece, what can it be substituted with? Yeah, it can be substituted with repeated addition. Exactly that. So we're going to see things. We have, like in this example, 2 times 3 is the same as 2 plus 2 plus 2. Those both equal 6. And 3 plus 3. We have 2 3's equaling 6. And lastly, we have an example of our positive and our negative integer being multiplied together. So we just have 4 times -2. And what is that going to get us? What is our outcome going to be? Positive or negative, everybody?
Negative.
Negative, exactly. So in this case, we have our -8 because 4 times 2 is 8. But we have our negative, so our answer is going to be negative. Okay? Great. And I think